दोस्तों, as per one of the study, 92% people who make New Year resolution fail to keep them. दोस्तों, हमारे friends and family में से काफी लोग 31st दिसंबर को New Year resolution बनाते हैं and 1st Jan को उनका reaction क्या होता है देखना चाहोगे? देखिए
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
दोस्तों, some of the most popular New Year resolution is to lose weight, get healthier, get financially free. ये some of the most common New Year resolution है जो कि हम लेते हैं. But why do we fail? In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 5 tips that not only will help you make New Year resolution, but actually it will help you keep your New Year resolution and come out as a winner. Yeah, you heard it right. ये वीडियो को end तक जरूर देखिएगा because I'm going to share some amazing tips. Hello and welcome. My name is Gokular from Social Superfly and I'm here to help you create a business and life that you love and want. And with that said, let's get started. So the number 1 secret is to start small. Make your New Year resolution easily achievable. How many of you have taken a gym membership and only went to gym for the first 4 days? You won't find any better person than me to vouch for it because I have done it twice. काफी लोग जिम की membership लेके जिम का address तक भूल जाते हैं. Never do that. Make your goal easily achievable. If your goal is to get fit in 2023, start very small. Be realistic. Give yourself a resolution which is easily achievable. For example, you can tell yourself, I'll go on a 15 minutes walk from tomorrow. Right? If you are not a morning person, you can go on a walk maybe after dinner, in the evening, at night, whenever you find it convenient. But make a New Year resolution which is easily achievable for you. Start small and then go step by step. Tip number 2 is amazing. It really works. And that is gamify your New Year resolution. So how do you do it? Turn your New Year resolution into a competition with your friends or family. For example, this competition can be about who walks 10,000 steps every single day. And whoever wins this competition gets the award. Turn your New Year resolution into competition with your friends or family. And that will give you such a wonderful motivation to wake up in the morning. So tip number 2 is to gamify your New Year resolution and win the competition. Tip number 3, make it social. Invite your friends and family to join you for this New Year resolution. New Year resolution kya hai? For example, get fit, eat healthier. Everybody wants to get fit. Make it social. Invite your Facebook friends to join you for this New Year resolution. Invite your friends and family for this New Year resolution. Form a group or community of people who have similar New Year resolution. ना फिर क्या होगा? फिर आपको पता चलेगा ना रमेश कल सुबह 8 बजे उठ के वॉक पे जाके आया और आप सो रहे थे. And next day you will wake up at 7:30. You will wake up before Ramesh and go for a walk. That will happen. Have some friends along with you who have a similar New Year resolutions, and that is such an incredible way to stick to your New Year resolution. It really works. Try it. And the secret number 4 is to reward yourself. Reward yourself for keeping a New Year resolution. For example, you can tell yourself that if you keep going on a morning walk for next 90 days, then you will get yourself a Nike running shoes. So you can reward yourself in whatever way you want. And the secret number 5 is to celebrate your success. आपकी success को ना लोगों के साथ celebrate कीजिए. No matter how small or big your resolution is, have some time to celebrate your New Year resolution. This gives you such a great sense of pride, and you will never fail to keep your New Year resolution ever again. Now, this is an honest question for you. How many of you have ever kept your New Year resolution? Come on, go to the comment section and tell me your success stories about how did you manage to keep your New Year resolution. और अगर आपने give up भी कर दिया था तो क्यों give up किया था? Why? Go to the comment section and tell me about your New Year resolution stories. दोस्तों, New Year resolution is all about forming the positive habits, become a better version of ourselves. I hope you enjoyed today's video. ऐसे ही videos every single week हम आपके लिए लाते हैं. So अभी तक आपने Social Superfly हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, so hello, what are you waiting for? ये वीडियो को लाइक करें, subscribe to Social Superfly, and until I see you again with some amazing videos just like this, don't forget to be amazing and take a very good care of yourself. This is Social Superfly bidding Goodbye.